so stoked to be back on the bike. I feel like it's been forever. It's only been, I guess I didn't really get to ride it last weekend, so that's probably why I'm like so excited. Worked on the carburetor last night, did the dyno jet kit. Feels pretty good. Still getting used to these dang boots, but yeah, I did the dyno jet kit. I'm super stoked about that. It seems to not be as boggy on the low end. Haven't really got to test it too much, so you know, at least it's running again. After I de-smogged it and opened up the airbox, it wouldn't even run really. I killed it twice trying to ride it around the yard. So oh, and I took the spark arrestor out of the muffler, so sounds pretty good. Not a forever plan. I'm definitely going to get a slip-on. I haven't decided which one yet, but sounds great. Yeah, I gotta take off that little guard. I can't get my foot up underneath this easy enough. My brake is better, that's for sure. My brake is definitely better. I can hit that with my foot on the peg. Yeah, I think this dyno jet kit is working pretty good from what I can tell so far. I was very reluctant. I was going to do the Dave's mod, and that one you have to drill 2 holes into, I forget what it's called. Yeah, I can't remember what it's called. And I was a little nervous about doing that. But then, after I already bought the dyno jet kit, I found out that I was going to have to be drilling out the... Dang it, I'm drawing a blank here on the name of... I forget what that little... It's like an adjustment screw that is covered up. You can't adjust it. You drill this little piece out, put a screw in it, pop it out, and then they give you a little tool. So now I can adjust... Which they recommended 2.5 turns. I'll have to get all the names of that particular screw and whatnot. So right now, I got it. I can't remember if it's the pilot jet or the main jet. I think it's the main jet or the pilot. No, the pilot jet. I believe that is changed to a 160. And the other one is the stock, so didn't have to change that one. And the names could be reversed. I can't quite remember if it's the main or the pilot, but... Whoa! Oh, that felt weird. Trying to stand up and get used to it in the sand, and holy moly, it doesn't feel good. Whoa, seat! Oh. At least this time it should be easier to pick her up. Maybe let's not do that. It's a situation. Seems alright.
I gotta stop falling so much. It's almost like me and sand are not very good friends. But living in, southern Alabama, riding in Florida, really got to get used to it. Oh man, you know what I was just thinking about? That was the first fall I got on camera that I didn't go, here we go! I think it kind of happened too quick. I actually thought I was going to be able to catch it. I had my leg out there. Oh nope, there's the railroad tracks right there. Oh, see? Back tire sliding that time. Making sure nobody's coming behind me. Ooh, that was loose. Nice. Now I don't have to go as far as I thought I did. Ooh, it's been a little while. Feeling rusty. Oh, what was that? Completely. Looks like it's somebody on a four-wheeler. This is the first time I came across a pickup truck once. But other than that, first time I've ever come across somebody out here riding. Another good thing is hopefully my bike is loud enough that they'll hear me behind them and either speed up a little bit or let me around. I don't want to scare anybody either, but riding up on them super quick, wow, fly by them. They're going super slow though. Thank you. Yeah, here's a big old tree right here. What was that? Oop, foot's caught behind that branch. Normally wouldn't be so scared that drop off right there. Not really worried about like tumbling down and getting hurt, but I know it would be a struggle to get my bike back up that. That would be a phone call I do not feel like making. Oh, another tree. Oh. See, I was too scared to hit it with a little bit of momentum and I would have went right over it. Oh man, that really would have sucked. I hit neutral. bit slower. Be prepared for a bunch of trees to be down. Oh. Oh, oh yeah. See, with this bike, that was a pretty deep little hole. The bike absorbs it all, so nice. Ooh. I keep leaning right as I'm about to do it. I need to get on a more straight road. Probably be best to, I don't know, it wouldn't be best if I fall to try it on pavement, but
oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna zoom on back to the house. Nothing but roads from here on out. Lost track of time. Gotta go eat dinner. So I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching.